everybody. So I'm going to do a video on number 66 from section 5.5. Say hello to Murphy
and hello to Ava.
Alright, so 66 gives us the roots of -1, 1, and 3, and it says through it goes through the ordered pair 2, 4. Now, if it's a root, it's a factor as an opposite inside. We've talked about that in previous videos. So -1, its factor representation is x plus 1. If the root's 1, its factor representation is x minus 1. If it's 3, then it's x minus 3. And I put the a here because we need to know, in a sense, the slope. And we need to figure out how tall the graph is or how short the graph is, if it's upside down, that kind of thing. And we're told that it's going to go through the ordered pair 2, 4. So we'll use that to help us figure out what the a is. So the x value is 2, so in each one of the x's we replace the x with a 2. And the 4 is our y value, and your y is your f of x, if you can recall. So we have 4 is equal to a times 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 3. So you have 4 is equal to a times 3 times 1 times -1, or -3a is equal to 4. Divide both sides by -3, and you've got -4/3 is equal to a. So this polynomial here becomes -4/3 x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3. Now you'll probably see it multiplied out in the back of the book if you take a look. So you foil this part, and remember that multiplication is you take two things at a time. So this is x plus 1, x minus 1. So you're going to have -4/3, and that's going to be x squared minus 1. And then we're going to multiply these together. And the only reason I'm waiting on multiplying the 4/3 through is fractions tend to create issues for people, so I'm just delaying the more complicated or more confusing things. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times a -3 is a -3x squared. And now we go through with the -1, so I have a -x and I have a +3. Okay. So I distribute these through, and so we're going to now have -4/3 x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4/3 x, and then minus 4. Just checking my work because I'm doing this off the cuff. That's right. It becomes a positive. The 3's would cancel. Then become a positive. 4/3. The 3's would cancel, and I have -4. Okay. Hopefully that's helpful, folks.